Do you want to know how I increase my website's click-through rate from 3.2% to 6.2%, which eventually increase my website traffic? And you also want to use the same technique to increase your website traffic? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you exact same details how I increase my website traffic. And I also have a bonus tip in the end of the video, so stick around. So here is the secret technique. It is FAQ schema markup. By only adding FAQ schema to one of my blog posts, my website's click-through rate increased from 3.2% to 6.2%. Awesome, right? So today I'm going to show you how to add FAQ schema markup to your WordPress website or any other website. This technique will work on all the platforms. So let's start with the WordPress. In WordPress, there are two different ways which you can use to add FAQ schema. First, you can add a plugin or you can add it manually, which I'll recommend. So let's look how to add FAQ schema using plugin. First of all, you will need to install a SEO plugin called Rank Math. Now install and activate it. So go to plugin and click add new, and here search for Rank Math. This is the plugin I am talking about. So install and activate it. I already activated it, so I am not doing it. Now go to the post where you want to add the FAQ schema. For this example, I am going to add the FAQ schema in one of my blog posts. Click on add new block and search for FAQ. Here it is. Now click on the FAQ by Rank Math. Now here you have to add questions and answer which you have collected. So I have collected the 6 questions, so I am doing it. First of all, copy the questions and paste it in the question field. Now copy the answer and paste it here. You can add as many questions as you have, but I'll recommend you to keep a limit of 5 or 6 questions. So I have already added 1 question, so I'll click on add new FAQ to add to 1 more question. So
2000 years later.
Now when you're done adding FAQ schema, click on update, and you have successfully added FAQ schema in your blog post. Now it is time for my favorite technique to add FAQ schema in my blog posts. You can use this technique to add FAQ schema in all the platforms like Blogger, WordPress or any other platforms. So here is the technique. First of all, you need to add all the questions and answers you have found in your blog post. Like for example, I have added all the questions with a formatting, like here the question and here's the answer. I have added all the questions and answers in my blog post. After that, go to a tool called FAQ Page Generator by Matthew Woodward. Whether I am pronouncing his name correctly or not, don't quote me on that. Now here you have to add question and answer, and it will generate a script for your website. So first, copy the question and add it here. Now copy the answer and add it here. You can add as many questions as you have, but I will recommend you to add at least 5 questions and don't go beyond that. So click on add another question and copy the question and add it here. Now copy the answer here. After you added all the questions and answers in this tool, now click on the script and click to copy your code. So it will copy all the codes. Now go back to the post where you want to add FAQ schema. So go back. Now just right after you finish the post, click on add a block and search for HTML. It will add a custom HTML block in your blog post, which will not be displayed in the blog post. So add all the script here. Now click on update post and here you go. You have successfully added FAQ schema in your website. You can also use this simple technique to increase your website traffic. One more advice. After you update your blog post, request Google to index your blog post again by submitting it in the Search Console. To do that, go to Google Search Console and copy the URL of your blog post and paste it in the inspection tool. So paste it and hit enter. Now Google will check their data for all the details. Now click on request indexing. Here you go. You have successfully requested for indexing your blog post. Here is the bonus time. You can download a free ebook from link in the description, which will help you to find important questions to add in your FAQ schema markup. If you have watched this video till here, so please make sure you like it. It will help me to grow my channel. And do let me know in comment section which technique you are going to use, with plugin or without plugin. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.